Facoow, F-A-C-O-O-W, sent these hex headsets to me. And why I wanted this so bad is I have good tools. And usually when I get a hex headset, it'll be barely this long. And you end up like beating the heck out of your fingers trying to use it. This one, they make the extra long handles. And that way when I'm working on something, I get some leverage instead of having to use some little tiny thing over and over, like when you're building some kind of company's furniture product or taking something apart. So having this extra length gives me leverage, I should say, when I gotta unloosen something. And they got this side so I can, if I'm at a weird angle, I can still turn stuff. And it's just really helpful. Now, besides all that, you get these 13 pieces in this container, all color-coded. And it's so cool. This whole thing just folds up just like this. And it's got a little strap with the Velcro so you can hang it on your tool rack so it's easy to get to. All in all, I highly recommend this set of hex head set here. You're gonna really dig it. And one more time, just check it out. Absolutely gorgeous. Highly recommend it.